Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Tshepang Molete. I'm from Katlehong, number 9 Mufokeng section. I'm a township entrepreneur, which is I sell coffee and cakes. Or a business liqale 2020, which is like in a lockdown. Bengisebenza efemini lapho ke kwayenzeka ukuthi like basikhiphe emsebenzini, so ngazama carwash ke ngale mali yase carwash ngazama ukuthi at least ngithenga amakhekhe. By then iloku ikhuphuka, which is abantu sebangirecognize la erenki, so yaqala kanjalo so that ngizowondla umndeni wami endlini ngale mali engiyenzayo. Or mina ungangithola ku Facebook Tshepang Molete Speranza, Speranza, nickname yami, which is like abantu bangazi ngale kasi. And then ama number phone 064 861 91 89. Address la ngijwayele ukuthengisela khona kusesibhedlela erenki ngasematekisini waseJozi, maka la ngihlala khona kuse number 9 Mufokeng section Katlehong. Ila uzothola khona amakhekhe amnandi wasekuseni, uzo enjoya kamnandi. Siyabonga. My name is Tshepang Molete, aka Speranza. I am a township entrepreneur. Thank you.